Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fajita veggies. First, select firm bell peppers and onions, ensuring they are fresh and vibrant. Then, slice all your vegetables, like 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 large white onion, into uniform half-inch strips for even cooking. Preheat a large cast-iron skillet or heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat for at least 5 minutes before you begin cooking. To get that classic restaurant-style sear, pour 1 tablespoon of a high-smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed oil, into your preheated pan. Add your sliced vegetables in a single layer, ensuring each piece touches the hot surface. It is crucial not to overcrowd the pan, as this steams the vegetables instead of searing them. Cook in 2 or even 3 batches if necessary to achieve that perfect char. Once your vegetables are in the pan, sprinkle them generously with 2 teaspoons of your favorite fajita seasoning, ensuring every piece gets coated. Stir the vegetables frequently, every 30 to 60 seconds, to prevent any burning and to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. Begin by cooking the bell peppers for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly before adding the onions for the final 2 to 3 minutes of cooking. The key to perfect fajita vegetables is achieving a tender, crisp texture, where they are soft but still retain a slight bite, certainly not mushy. You can easily check for doneness by simply tasting a small piece. It should be cooked through but not overcooked. Once they reach your desired tenderness, remove the pan from the heat and finish the warm vegetables with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice, perhaps from 1/2 of a medium lime, to brighten the flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.